Hi, good afternoon. How are you? So, dito po kayo, competition or you're just representing your...
Yes, I'm representing Japan, the tourism ambassador, Japan. So we're also supporting Mrs. Cosmo World, Japan. So that's why we're here.
How does it feel being a beauty
Oh
queen?
my God. I remember my answer during the competition. I already have an invisible crown, but because of the given opportunity, it is now visible. Yeah. And it's good in feeling that you are involved in such a beautiful pageant, and you can show to the world that single mom can do more.
Wow. What's your advocacy?
My advocacy is promoting Christianity, believing in God, because that is the source of everything. And yeah, I remember if you have faith in the Lord, you can do everything. So that is my advocacy.
Ma'am, of course, like mom, parang lately na lang naging, alam mo yun, yung confidence ng mga mami to join pageant. So parang, ikaw, where did you get your confidence on joining with,
Yeah, because I have learned a lot in Japan. I wanted to inspire more individual, not only single women, because stress is everywhere. So we are not. No one is exempted with the suffering or anxiety. So what I've learned in Japan is you need to just teach your children, teach people around you how to be a better person. So that's what I learned in
what
Japan.
inspired you to do it?
I am so inspired to do it because I wanted to model this kind of life to my kids. So I want them to see me stronger every day.
What's your reaction of your kids seeing you like that?
They're very happy. Actually, I am a single mother of 4 and been single 7 years. So every time I achieve something, they're very, very happy. And every time they have activity in school, like sending, like writing letter, they always tell me that if I grow up, I wanted to be like mom. So it's very inspiring that I shared a lot of experience to my kids.
Ano yung nakuha mo satisfaction?
Yeah, I am so contented because, being a single mom is such a great job and I don't want to ask for more. So I am satisfied of what the things I have and what the Lord is giving me. Yeah.
Aside from this, what makes you busy?
I've been into tourism industry. So I am a tour guide for 3 years and I have also my travel and tour, Itokoro Travel and Tour in Japan. So, I'm always busy doing a lot of things related to tourism.
What makes you learn from your, alam mo na, kapwa mo, mga mamis na beauty queen din? Kasi ang dami, di ba? Uso-uso talaga ngayon.
Actually, we shared same purpose. And actually in Japan, we have monthly charity work. So we fed a lot of homeless, like homeless in Japan. So I shared it to them, and we actually have a lot of things to do. We have coming event on June 23 to July 3, beauty caravan in Osaka. So that is, we shared the same purpose. We wanted to share what we have, and we visioned. And also we have tourism night on July 4. So if you are in Osaka, I'm inviting you to come.
Message for every mom.
Yeah, my only message is always have faith in everything. Don't give up because being a single mom is such a great privilege from the Lord. So just continue living as an inspiration to everybody.
Wow!